I just finished having my coffee and now I have 1 hour until I have to go to the airport. And if you're wondering why do I have 1 hour until I have to go to the airport, it's because I miscalculated the time that I needed to wake up. So now it's 22:30 and I need to get out of the house by 23:30. I thought if I want to have dinner, it's gonna take me a while. So I woke up at 8 to have dinner, to make the dinner, to eat the dinner. And now I have 1 hour, so I will just be hanging around. I just got into the hotel and I'm feeling so grateful. During the service, I was doing the service and I looked over to the other girl and I was like, I'm here. Like the uniform that she's wearing, I'm wearing. I just had a shower, changed out of the uniform, but I didn't remove the makeup because it's 4:30 and I need to be out of the hotel by 5. So I don't think the makeup is going anywhere and the hair is not going anywhere for sure. So I will just remove the lipstick and we'll be out the door to get some food, maybe a massage, and we'll see what happens later. I just came back from the mall and look what I got. So I got one Hirono and I got one great artists. Okay, I don't want to look at the cards because there is a card. So I don't want to see the cards. Okay, let's go. Ay, ay, ay. So cute. Oh, he's crying. Who are you? Raving. Oh, you have the phone. It's you. You have the phone. You're calling home. He's adorable. He's so cute. Let's see what we got next. Who are you? He's so cute. He's the man with the bowler hat. I'm happy with my 2 new babies. I just noticed. Look at his little butt. Look at this. How adorable.